चोपड़ा को अगर आप गूगल करें तो काफ़ी कुछ सर्च के रिजल्ट्स में आता है, जैसे प्रियंका चोपड़ा बॉन्स विद ग्रैमी अवार्ड अशांति, प्रियंका चोपड़ा की नोट स्पीकर एट SAMMA, प्रियंका चोपड़ा मोस्ट डेंजरस सेलिब्रिटी, देन एक्सोटिक हिट्स हाई नोट, प्रियंका चोपड़ा इंडियाज मोस्ट पावरफुल। तो प्रियंका चोपड़ा आपके सर्च रिजल्ट्स में फॉर अ चेंज कोई एक तो एटलीस्ट ऐसी सेलिब्रिटी है जो कंट्रोवर्शियल न्यूज़ नहीं निकलती है।
Don't speak too
So it's
soon.
all-
Please don't speak too soon.
Why?
I am happy to be known by my work. And जैसे ही मेरे साथ ऐसा एक फेज आता है जहाँ लोग कुछ नहीं बोल रहे होते, कट टू
कुछ आ जाता है तो मतलब ये
ये मुझे
कंसेंसिटी।
एंजॉय करने दो प्लीज। ये ना कुछ दिन की चांदनी है,
हाँ।
ये जल्दी जाए।
So how do you manage to fit all of this in just 24 hours? You're like traveling from US to other countries, back to India, promotions, Krish 3 is coming up. So how are you managing all this just in 24 hours?
You don't sleep much. I live on a plane. I go to, because of my album, I keep going to LA every month.
Yeah.
And so going to the US every month for 5 days is really exhausting. So when people complain of jet lag and that they're tired, I want to slap.
मैं तो जेट लैग में ही रह रही हूँ, ऐसे लगता
मेरा
है।
jet lag I don't jet lag on me. I
अच्छा,
just
तो
don't
जेट लैग अब फेज हो चुका है कि you are
Immune हो
living,
गई
हाँ,
हूँ jet
immune हो
lag
गए
से,
अब,
कि
हाँ।
jet lag क्या होता है? Because now for 2 years I've been doing it, you know, handling 2 careers. But it's my choice. I don't
Yeah.
complain. I can very easily put one on hold to do the other.
Yeah. Come back to your films. Krish 3, 1st November, it's releasing. How excited you are because a totally different kind of film जो actually लोग बोलते रहते हैं हट की फिल्म है, but ये actually हट की फिल्म है.
You know, Krish 3 is a franchise now जो जिससे हम familiar हैं as an audience. ये तीसरी है इस trilogy का, it's a 3rd installment. And first 2 were really loved. और इस फिल्म में कोई मिल गया और कृष को मिक्स कर दिया जाए तो ये फिल्म आई। इसमें रोहित भी है, इसमें कृष्णा भी है, इसमें मैं भी हूँ। And of course it's good versus evil.
Yeah.
So there is the new characters of Vivek and the army of mutants that Vivek is a evil scientist. तो वो एक मानवर बनाता है, मानव और जानवर को मिक्स करके।
बट कोई ऐसा सुपर पावर है जो फिल्म के प्रोसेस में हम देखेंगे शायद प्रियंका भी पास ऑन हो जाए, कोई एक सुपर पावर?
My character is the only one which doesn't have action, which doesn't have superpowers. But I start the film off being married.
Yeah.
We are the good and we are married and we're a happy family.
Happily living it.
You know, father-in-law, husband, me, we're happy. And then evil of course comes into our life. And through the film, I end up becoming a double role. So I exist as good and I exist as evil.
Okay.
Then, what is interesting about my character, which makes it really pivotal, is I have something, and I can't tell you what it is, which Carl wants, who's the super nemesis to Krish, who's a superhero. So he's after me to find me, to get me.
The next which we see you on big screen is Ramleela.
Yes.
The
song
special
number.
song, yeah, special number. So first you, when I think Babli Badmash जब आई थी, तब आप बहुत careful थी कि special songs में lyrics कैसे होने चाहिए, क्या नहीं होने चाहिए. तो you still go through all
Actually,
of
that
that.
was also, again, media created to a certain extent. As an actor, we have very little control. As a female actor, at
Yeah.
least. I can't go and tell the director, change your lyrics. How can you do that?
हाँ.
I can sit down and talk and say, you know, maybe we shouldn't do this or whatever. But I can't like beyond the point do something
Lyrics
like that.
बदल दो आप.
कि आप भाई casting में ना उसको निकाल के इसको लगा, ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. It's a collaborative effort. So with Bubbly also, yes, you're right in one point that there was another song which I did not want to do because I felt it was at that point it was not the right kind of song to do. Things were blown up too much. Bollywood was being blamed.
Yeah.
Which is it's for rapes, which is completely not our fault. A woman doesn't get raped because a man is watching a Hindi film. She gets raped because someone raped her. It's simple as that. But I did decide not to do another song, which eventually was in the film, because at that point it wouldn't have made sense. But this song is the title song of the film. It's called it's the synopsis of the film in a way, the philosophy of the film. राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम. अरे यार प्यार
It's a
करना
very
छोड़.
catchy number.
I love that song.
Yeah. With Krish 3, what are your expectations? Everybody, personally as an actor, everybody sees and wants to see their film, you know, grow bigger and bigger. With Krish 3, what are your expectations?
Well, of course, I hope it'll do really, really well. We are releasing on November 1st, which is Diwali also. We have a long slate of holidays, no other film. So I'm hoping that it'll do really, really well. It's a very special film to me. I've been part of two out of three of the franchises, and I think it'll be very, very exciting. As a team, we are very excited.
On that note, thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.